Does lung cancer make us cough? Does the cough due to lung cancer last all day long? Can cough caused by lung cancer get stained with blood? Watch this video about cough and lung cancer. You will find all the answers to these questions and many more. Cough is the most common symptom of lung cancer. In people who didn't usually cough, coughing appears and progressively worsens. In people with chronic coughing, such as smokers or people who have chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, the person realized that his coughing has changed. You're probably asking yourself, why does lung cancer cause cough? The cough is a reflex of expulsion of the air from the lungs, which tries to sweep out the mucus and foreign bodies that have entered with the inspiration and that is irritating the trachea or bronchi. As lung cancer grows in the respiratory tubes, it excites their receptors that detect if something has entered with the inspired air, triggering the cough reflex. This irritation is constant and continuous, so our cough will be persistent throughout the day. Watch these interesting videos. Their contents will help you take care of your own health. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There will be more healthy videos to come.